Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Safepal Wallet. For that, first of all, simply start by launching your Safepal Wallet application. Then you need to log in into it if you haven't already. So once you are inside your Safepal Wallet, on the home page itself, you are going to see all of the coins that you have in your account or that you can receive here in your account. You can also use the search bar here in the top in order to search for your favorite coin. So once you search for the coin or once you have found that coin, you need to simply tap on it in order to get the deposit address. So as you can see, I have selected BNB. Inside BNB, if you tap on the receive option here, you are going to see the deposit address in the top right hand corner of the screen, or with the help of the pop-up, you are going to get that. So simply tap on this copy button here in the top right hand corner in order to copy the address of that particular crypto which you want to add in your Safepal wallet, which in my case is BNB. Now you need to launch your exchange or that wallet in which you have the cryptocurrency, which is in my case is BNB. So as you can see, I have opened my Binance exchange. So here if you tap on the option of assets in the bottom right hand corner, you need to simply search for BNB. Now here tap on the option of withdrawal, then select the option of signed via crypto network. So once you select this option, in the address section, you need to paste the address that you have copied from your Safepal wallet. After that, in the network, it is going to take it automatically, or if it doesn't, you need to select the same network which was selected in your Safepal wallet, which would be in my case BEP20. But if you are transferring any other cryptocurrencies, you need to make sure that you select the network same as well. Now in the amount section, simply enter the amount that you want to transfer. Once done, tap on the option of withdraw in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page in your Binance app, you need to review every details here on the next page. Only then you need to confirm your transaction. So once your transaction is completed within a few seconds or minutes, you are going to get the money in your Safepal wallet. It will be added here in your Safepal wallet balance. So you can try refreshing the Safepal wallet application of yours in order to check your balance. So that's how you will be able to successfully add money to your Safepal wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like, subscribe, and also drop a comment if you would like me to cover any other tutorial on the Safepal wallet. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.